Welcome back to HealthMorph. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something that's literally changing how millions of Americans manage their health. Did you know that 1 in 3 Americans is now using artificial intelligence for their wellness routines? From researching medical conditions to planning meals and designing workouts, AI has moved from science fiction to your smartphone. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how this technology revolution is transforming personal healthcare and, more importantly, how you can use it safely and effectively. The numbers. Let's start with the jaw-dropping statistics that show just how quickly Americans are adopting AI health tools. Here's what recent surveys revealed, and trust me, these numbers will surprise you. 80%. That's 8 out of 10 people aged 18 to 34 have already embraced AI healthcare solutions. But here's the interesting part. Only 60% of those over 55 are willing to try them. We're seeing a clear generational divide in health technology adoption. But what exactly are people using AI for? The top 4 uses might surprise you. First, 31% are using AI to research medical conditions. Think of it as having a health encyclopedia that talks back to you. Second, 25% rely on AI for meal planning, getting personalized nutrition advice that adapts to their specific needs and preferences. Third, 23% turn to AI for discovering new exercises and fitness routines tailored exactly to their fitness level and goals. And fourth, 24% use AI to fact-check health information they find online. In an age of health misinformation, this is incredibly valuable. Popular applications. Now let's talk about how this actually works in real life. I want to show you the most popular categories of AI health tools that are making a real difference in people's daily routines. Virtual health assistants are becoming incredibly popular for exercise routines. These aren't just cookie-cutter workout plans. They're AI systems that learn your fitness level, understand your equipment limitations, and adapt in real time based on your performance. Struggling with today's workout? The AI notices and adjusts the difficulty on the spot. For nutrition, AI-powered apps are revolutionizing meal planning. They analyze your dietary preferences, restrictions, health goals, and even your budget to create customized meal plans. Some can even generate shopping lists and suggest recipe modifications. Imagine having a nutritionist in your pocket 24/7. Mental health support is another growing area. While these tools aren't replacing therapists, they're offering 24/7 availability for mood tracking, meditation guidance, and coping strategies. For many people, especially those who can't access traditional mental health services, this is game-changing. Section 3. Now here's where things get really interesting. While Americans are using these tools, they're not blindly trusting them, and that's actually a good thing. The trust hierarchy is clear. Medical professionals and trusted friends still rank highest for health advice. But here's what's fascinating. AI is gaining ground over social media sources for health information. That's a win for accuracy. Here's a striking statistic. 52% of Americans are more concerned than excited about AI in daily life, compared with just 10% who are more excited than concerned. Yet many of these same concerned people are actively using AI health tools. The key difference: people are framing AI as a research and planning tool, not a replacement for professional medical care. They're being smart about it, using AI to prepare for doctor visits, organize their thoughts, and track their progress, but still relying on human healthcare providers for the big decisions. Benefits and risks. Let's be honest about both sides of this coin. The benefits are compelling, but the risks are real. The accessibility factor is huge. These tools provide immediate access to health information regardless of time, location, or financial constraints. For Americans in underserved areas, AI health tools can be a valuable first step in addressing health concerns. Personalization is another game changer. Unlike generic health advice, AI systems learn from your individual patterns, preferences, and goals. The more you use them, the better they get at helping you. And convenience? It's unmatched. Busy Americans love having instant access to meal planning, exercise routines, and health information without scheduling appointments or doing extensive research.
But here are the risks you need to know about. Misinformation is the biggest concern. AI systems can provide outdated or contextually inappropriate health advice. They lack the nuanced understanding that comes from medical training and human experience. Privacy is another major issue. Health data is incredibly sensitive. Many people don't realize how much personal information they're sharing or how it might be used. And perhaps most importantly, AI tools cannot replace human intuition and emotional intelligence. They excel at pattern recognition, but can't provide the empathy, clinical judgment, and personalized care that human healthcare professionals offer. Section 5. Best practices. So how do you use AI health tools responsibly? Here are my top recommendations based on what the experts are saying. First, always view AI tools as supplements to, not replacements for, professional medical care. Use them for research, planning, and tracking, but consult healthcare providers for diagnosis, treatment decisions, and significant health changes. Second, verify information from multiple sources. AI tools are excellent starting points for health research, but cross-reference everything with reputable medical websites and healthcare professionals. Third, pay attention to privacy settings and data sharing policies. Choose platforms with strong privacy protections and clear explanations of how they handle your personal health information. Fourth, understand the limitations of the specific AI tools you're using. Knowing what these platforms can and cannot do helps set appropriate expectations and prevents over-reliance on automated recommendations. Section 6. The future. Let's talk about where this is all heading. The projections are incredible. By 2025, the generative AI market in healthcare is set to be worth more than $2 billion for the first time in history. That represents massive investment and development in this sector. As these technologies mature, we can expect improved accuracy, better integration with traditional healthcare systems, and more sophisticated personalization capabilities. Imagine AI tools that can communicate directly with your doctor's office, share relevant data seamlessly, and provide continuity of care across different platforms. The challenge will be maintaining the balance between technological advancement and human-centered care that Americans clearly value. Conclusion and CTA. The integration of AI into personal health management represents a significant shift in how Americans approach wellness. The key to success lies in thoughtful, informed adoption that enhances rather than replaces traditional healthcare relationships. Whether you're just starting to explore AI health tools or you're already using them regularly, remember that the best approach combines the convenience and personalization of AI with the expertise and empathy of human healthcare providers. If you found this information valuable and want to stay updated on the latest in health technology, digital wellness, and AI innovations that are transforming healthcare, make sure to subscribe to HealthMorph and hit that notification bell. We're constantly researching and testing the latest health tech tools so you don't have to. Drop a comment below and let me know, are you currently using any AI health tools? What's been your experience? I read every comment and love hearing your stories. And if you're interested in specific AI health tool reviews or want me to test out particular apps, let me know in the comments. Your suggestions help shape our content. Don't forget to check out our other videos on digital wellness and health technology. There's a whole playlist of tools and strategies that can help you optimize your health journey. Thanks for watching HealthMorph, and remember, the future of health is in your hands, but it's powered by smart technology. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.